I've already subscribed to 10 of us in case since I don't miss any more videos. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be mixing all of my store-bought slimes. I only have 5 of them. But yeah. So in here, and then if it's ugly color, I'm going to add some color. I have a container for it. So let's do this. So first things first, why not start small and get bigger? So they all have names. Check her out though on Slimentine off of Etsy. She's, oh my god, the best slime maker ever made. Okay, like you need to check her out. This cloud slime is a light brown. And it has little black foam beads. And it smells like cookie dough, and it's called chocolate chip cookie dough. It's a really good, nice slime. I like it. It's a tad bit wet, but it's like it's so good. I love it. But one slime in, 4 more to go. Right, I'm gonna do this. There we go. Now, we're not doing color close to it. It is Beach Paradise. This doesn't really smell like anything at all. It is a cloud slime. It smells kind of like just maybe like a perfume in it that smells like Febreze, yeah. Like the new car Febreze or the Oceany one. Yeah, I don't know what it's called, but it smells like one of those. So yeah.
What are we expecting in the reopenings of these states as the president continues?
By the way, if y'all hear the TV, yeah, sorry, you probably can't. I can hear it. So if y'all can hear it, you can hear it. One thing I like about cloud slime, watch. It doesn't like stretch anything. And watch. And you do that, and it goes in between your fingers. It feels so good. Pop my finger. But 2 slimes in. 3 more to go. And if I do mix these, I'll have some containers. No, let's do this cloud slime. It's cinnamon apple sauce. Yeah, cinnamon apple sauce. Cinnamon apple sauce. That's what it says. Cinnamon apple. Oh my god, this has the strongest smell. The strongest smell ever. And see? See how it's dark brown? But when you stretch it, it becomes white. I can tell this was made out of clear because, like, when it's in there, you can just tell. This has, like, the strongest smell ever. You said it. I literally smell it. And smell it. It took off the light. Well, 3. 2 more to go. Now I'm gonna do this slime. This slime is actually one of my favorites. It's lemon iced tea. It had jelly cubes in it, but I popped them all. And one thing I like about when you pop the jelly cubes in it, I want to show you something. Wait. I don't know me. When you stretch it, it's like.
AT&T has created a $10 million fund to support distance learning tools, curriculum, and resources. The
Wait.
Does anybody know what this book is?
And look, it's see-through. It's very poppy. I'm gonna mess this up. Foreign. One more to go. This one had more, but yeah, it had more.
The Senate is back in session,
Okay.
kicking off its return with the
Oh my gosh, the news. Always on the news. This is hot pink butter. This is
Ratcliffe, a former lawyer, mayor, and U.S. attorney, is probably best known for his
It doesn't have smell,
support for President
but
Trump
this
during
is like the best
Special
slime.
Counsel Robert Mueller.
Donald Trump is not above the law. He's not. He sure shouldn't be below
It's
the
a
law.
really nice slime.
Whistleblower at the center of the
I like it.
investigation, but seems she should stay under oath before the committee who created whistleblower protections.
Every whistleblower, past, present, and future, will enjoy every protection under the law.
5 slimes in.
Members of the Senate
See what more to
Intelligence
go.
Committee joined in
Now
on
I'm gonna mix this up.
throughout the morning to question Ratcliffe.
We got the hot pink butter, lemon iced tea. Right here is
Keep with social distancing guidelines.
The intelligence I will
beach,
provide, if confirmed,
um,
will not be impacted or altered as a result
no,
of outside influence.
cinnamon,
Ratcliffe
beach,
was pressed on Russia's
and chocolate.
interference in the 2016 election and on China and Korea.
Look, it's a club of slimes. Let's mix it.
An important problem and a big priority. We are also entering an era of great nation
I feel like it's gonna become a pink color,
Whether he can be
but
unbiased in a
I don't know. So it's gonna be a cloud pink. It's gonna be a cloud slime.
He will.
The question is not whether you've been a partisan in your previous job.
Obviously, I've never
And I don't believe you will be.
made a cloud slime. I'm not
Like I
making.
said, that at the end of
Yeah,
the day,
it's gonna be a pink.
understanding this job, you will be
So
very
I do have coloring still. I'm gonna add coloring more. I mean, obviously.
But when
Yeah.
pressed about defending the intelligence
Okay.
of President Trump, who has repeatedly
So
said the
it's like a
agency has
nice
run
pink.
amok,
It's like a Valentine pink.
with a straight answer.
Very
If
nice.
the president says this afternoon that the intelligence agencies in this country
Okay.
are running amok, will you
So
publicly
let's get. So y'all already know what colors. I got purple, red, yellow.
Ratcliffe also faced
green,
questions about whether
and
he
blue.
believes the coronavirus was created in a Chinese lab.
I feel like I'm gonna add pink to make it. I mean red, but not a lot of red, just a little to make it more pink. So toothpicks. And what we're gonna do is this is how you open it. You're gonna stab the very side.
I don't see what has changed since last summer, when the president decided not to proceed with your nomination over concerns about your
And you
inexperience
just slide
partisanship,
it.
and past statements that seem to embellish your record. This includes some particularly damaging remarks.
Did it get on me?
about
Okay, no.
whistleblowers, which has long been a
Then if you have
bipartisan
some on here,
policy
you just
on
rip
this
it
committee.
off.
I'll speak plainly. I still have some of the same doubts now as I had back in August.
All committee Democrats are expected to oppose Ratcliffe's nomination, as nearly every Republican is
Ooh,
expected
dang
to
it.
support it. Republican Senator Susan Collins, who finds herself in a tough re-election fight in Maine, is likely the swing vote. Outside of Washington, Alex Miller.
Dang, that was a lot. This is like fake blood. It looks exactly like fake blood. But I'm gonna just.
Good afternoon, I'm David Muir in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're
Stop
interrupting
it.
regularly scheduled programming to bring you breaking news at this hour. President Trump is here in Arizona on his first trip outside Washington in nearly 2 months, touring a Honeywell factory that is now producing N95.
I feel like this won't be big enough for that container that I bought for it. It's just gonna be bad because my only other bigger container is way too big for it. It's all my sons combined. So yeah. Okay.
Can do this, and it comes amid a raging debate over whether or not this is happening too quickly and whether or not lives are actually being put at risk. Some of these states still have not reached their plateau, and I did ask the president.
Okay, so it's still the same color, just a little bit darker.
And one of the things I talked
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something.
Fauci in the last 24 hours, his very cautious words about moving forward too quickly in reopening the country. Here's the exchange just moments ago. I want to ask you about what Dr.
I'm gonna
Fauci
add
said
purple,
last night
like I
about
just
the
did.
reopening of the country.
I haven't used
He said
green yet.
it's the balance of something that's a very difficult
I'm not.
choice.
I've
How much
used
death
every
and
color
how
except
much
for green.
suffering are you willing to accept to get back where you want to be? Do you see it that way? Do you believe that's the reality we're facing, that lives will be lost to reopen the country?
It's possible there will be some, because you won't be locked into an apartment or a house or whatever it is, but
Choked on my own
at the same
spit.
time, we're gonna practice social distancing, we're gonna be washing hands, we're gonna be doing a lot of the things that we've learned to do over the last period of time. And we have to get our country
Comment
back.
down below if you
People
ever
are
choke on your spit.
When you look at what's happened with drugs, it goes up.
I choke on my spit a lot.
Suicides. I mean, take a look at what's going on. People are losing their jobs.
I'm like,
We have to bring it back. That's what we're doing.
like, because I choke on it a lot. So, I think I like it. It's a nice pink slime. It's a tad bit purple, but I like it. It's a nice big cloud-ish, butter-ish slime. So yeah, I think I like it. It's nice. It's pretty.
An acknowledgement from the president that there could be lives here at risk.
And the president has said the
Okay, let's hope it fits in this container. Oh, it does. I thought it would be way too big. It's actually extra room, but the slime. Yeah. And now I have a whole bunch of extra containers.
The president himself seems eager to move beyond this moment in an extraordinary development today, David. We have learned, the vice president has confirmed that the White House plans to disband the coronavirus task force. The White House task force by the end of this month. Extraordinary development considering that we're just now at peak level.
Okay, guys, but if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. I love y'all so much. But like this video if you liked it. If you didn't, that's perfectly fine. Because, frankly, I didn't like it either. So it's my video, so but whatever. Love you guys forever and always.